Today we want to introduce you to the first platform for last-minute hair deals. Clients can book hairdresser appointments online and save 20 to 50% at the service. This service is called Book Good Look. How does it work? Let me explain this by an example. Julia has a bad hair day. She doesn't know which hairdresser to go to and where to book an appointment. Moreover, she has little money to spend on a new haircut. The hairdresser Dante has 2 employees but not enough customers. He has to pay the employees' salaries despite a small number of customers. So the hairdresser has very high fixed costs. Solution for both problems: Book Good Look. Julia can search through the platform to find the right hairdresser and suitable appointments. She books online and saves 20 to 50% at the service. The hairdresser gains new customers for his employees and generates substantial revenue. He earns money and is represented online at the platform Book Good Look. Book Good Look gets a fee for every successful booking, which means that the hairdresser only has to pay a fee if he generates revenue. The platform has already been online under the German domain resthaarbörse.com since September 2013. Besides very successful expansion rates and a sponsorship from Accent, we have aroused a lot of media attention. Who is Book Good Look? First of all, we have Laurenz. He is responsible for marketing, strategy and growth. He loves numbers and analysis. Anna is responsible for sales and PR. She loves to work with people. So visit our website and save money at your next hair appointment.
Created using Powtoon.